Create a video using exactly this script: Forex Trading Smart Money Concept Practical Video. Understanding market structure is fundamental to mastering smart money concepts. By recognizing the patterns and behaviors of the market, traders can make more informed decisions. Identifying liquidity zones is crucial for successful Forex trading. These zones represent areas where there is a high volume of trading activity, providing opportunities for strategic entry and exit points. Order blocks are significant in the realm of smart money concepts. They highlight areas of accumulated orders, often indicating potential points of market reversal or continuation. Recognizing these can greatly enhance a trader's ability to predict market movements. Institutional traders, often referred to as the smart money, play a crucial role in the Forex market. They possess vast resources, advanced technology, and access to information that retail traders simply don't have. These traders can move markets and create trends, making it essential for us to understand their behavior and strategies. Now let's talk about how we can apply smart money concepts in our own Forex trading. By analyzing the footprints left by institutional traders, we can make more informed decisions. Look for patterns such as accumulation and distribution phases, which indicate the buying and selling activities of these large players. Remember, the goal is to align our trades with the direction of the smart money. To bring these concepts to life, let's dive into a real market analysis. By examining recent price movements and volume data, we can identify areas where institutional traders have likely entered or exited the market. This analysis can help us spot potential trading opportunities and avoid common pitfalls that trap retail traders. In conclusion, understanding the role of institutional traders and applying smart money concepts can significantly enhance our Forex trading strategy. Keep an eye on the market's big players, analyze their actions, and align your trades accordingly. By doing so, you'll be better positioned to navigate the complexities of the Forex market and improve your overall trading performance. Happy trading!